Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into Sony's top-tier soundbars, the HTA9000 BRAVIA Theater Bar 9 with 13 speakers and the HTA8000 BRAVIA Theater Bar 8 with 11 speakers. Both feature Dolby Atmos and DTS X for an immersive audio experience. Stay tuned to find out which one is right for you. Let's get started. The Sony HTA9000 BRAVIA Theater Bar 9 is a premium soundbar that revolutionizes home audio with its advanced surround sound technology. Equipped with 13 speakers and 360 spatial sound mapping, it offers an immersive, theater-like experience optimized for your room. The soundbar supports Dolby Atmos, DTS X, and IMAX Enhanced, ensuring top-tier audio quality. Optional wireless subwoofers and rear speakers can be added for an even more impactful sound experience. Setup is straightforward with the BRAVIA Connect app, although the app experience could be smoother. It allows for easy control of the soundbar's features, such as sound profiles and advanced settings. The soundbar connects seamlessly to compatible BRAVIA TVs via eARC HDMI, enabling control from the TV menu and enhancing audio with acoustic center sync. User reviews highlight the impressive sound quality, noting the realistic surround sound achieved even without additional speakers. One user replaced their old 5.1 Sony stereo with this soundbar, appreciating the compact design and powerful performance. Another user transitioned from a Vizio system, finding the Sony soundbar to offer richer and deeper sound despite the lack of physical surround speakers. The soundbar also supports the latest video and gaming features, including 4K HDR, 8K HDR, Dolby Vision, and HDMI 2.1 gaming features like 4K at 120 VRR and ALLM. Additionally, it boasts exclusive features for PS5, enhancing gaming with auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode. Streaming music is effortless with support for Spotify Connect, Apple AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth. The soundbar delivers supreme music quality with high-res audio, low-res upmixing, and 360 reality audio. In summary, the Sony HTA9000 BRAVIA Theater Bar 9 offers exceptional sound quality and a sleek design, making it a great choice for enhancing your home entertainment system. While the app could be improved, the soundbar's performance and features are top-notch, delivering a remarkable audio experience. The Sony HTA8000 BRAVIA Theater Bar 8 redefines home audio with its 11 speakers and advanced surround sound technology. It features 360 spatial sound mapping, providing an immersive theater-like experience, optimized for your room. The soundbar supports Dolby Atmos, DTS X, and IMAX Enhanced formats, ensuring cinema-quality audio. You can enhance the experience further with optional wireless subwoofers and rear speakers. User reviews praise the HTA8000 for its exceptional sound quality and ease of setup. One user, accustomed to high-end home theater systems, found the sound fidelity impressive and the bass performance remarkable for a soundbar. They highlighted the immersive experience, noting that the soundbar effectively simulates directional audio, making movies and games highly engaging. Another user compared the HTA8000 to other high-end soundbars like those from Bose and Sonos, noting Sony's superior attention to sonic detail. They appreciated the build quality and user-friendly interface, especially the app-based setup process for spatial audio and sound profile adjustments. The app guides users through calibration using their phone's microphone, ensuring optimal sound for their room's acoustics. The HTA8000 also supports the latest video and gaming features, including 4K HDR, 8K HDR, Dolby Vision, and HDMI 2.1 gaming features like 4K at 120 VRR and ALLM. Exclusive features for PS5, such as auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode, further enhance the gaming experience. Streaming music is seamless with support for Spotify Connect, Apple AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth. The soundbar delivers high-resolution audio, low-res upmixing, and 360 reality audio, making music sound vibrant and detailed. In summary, the Sony HTA8000 BRAVIA Theater Bar 8 offers top-tier audio performance and a sleek design, making it a standout choice for upgrading your home entertainment system. While the app setup process could be streamlined, the soundbar's performance and features are exceptional, providing a truly immersive audio experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison of the Sony HTA9000 and HTA8000 BRAVIA Theater Bars, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Leave a comment below on which soundbar you prefer. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.